Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Marlton Hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, pet-friendly restaurant, 24-hour front desk and a bar. Located in the heart of Greenwich Village and housed in a restored historic building, this Manhattan boutique hotel features free Wi-Fi access and on-site dining, including a complimentary daily breakfast. It is 550 feet from Washington Square Park. A flat-screen cable TV is included in the guest rooms at the Marlton Hotel, which feature herringbone wood floors, crown moldings and brass fixtures. The en-suite marble bathrooms come with free toiletries and a hairdryer. A mini-bar with local products is also available. Guests can dine at a 100-seat restaurant on the ground floor. In addition to meals, a coffee bar is provided at the restaurant. Laundry facilities are provided at the NYC Marlton Hotel. The front desk is available 24 hours. 2 subway stations can be found within 1,650 feet of the property. New York University (NYU) is 1,050 feet from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.